All right, back here on Bill's 64.5 Mustang. Now, years ago, I put this carb on because we wanted a lower cost alternative to a Holly or an Elbrook, and these were very, very nice. They were incredible at the time, actually. Summit sold them, and they were like a cross between a Holly, if I consider a Holly double bumper, and, oh, hi, Scotty.
Hey!
And like an auto light. They're actually very nice. But look.
Oh my God.
Let's talk about stucky.
We're good that way.
Yeah, but it won't go down.
Yeah, damn.
So I charged the battery.
Okay.
Because I had this, we were over at his house. What was that, the other day? Thursday?
Yes.
Yeah. And didn't want to behave. So anywho, fluids are all good. I already checked all that. So we need to get fuel into the carb, and the battery was dead. So it's charged all weekend. Gonna put a little fuel down the bowls here and get her fired. But you can see, look at the varnish.
Oh yeah, it's gonna need a complete teardown or rebuild.
Yep.
Or would it just be easier to put another new one on?
That's the thing. It's a brand new carb, but we're gonna have to weigh it out.
Yeah.
And we'll have to let Bill know.
Yeah, we'll let the customer make the choice.
You know, this is why we do not let carbureted cars sit.
Yep, they have to be driven.
And if they're not driven, you can at least, the other thing you can do is, of course, drain all the fuel out, unhook the fuel line, run it till it's dry, so this doesn't happen. But they need to be consistently ran. That would be the best idea. So, anywho, that's where we're at now. But yeah, no eso bueno.
Yeah, definitely no bueno.
No bueno. So, put a little fuel in it. We'll get her lit off. Make sure everything else is good. I remember doing the oil pan on this at his house. And Carson helped me when he was little.
Oh, wow, okay.
But, yeah, that was a while ago. Because he's not little anymore.
Yeah, he's
big.
Yeah, I'd say he's going on, what, 13, 14?
13. He was like 6 or 7 when we did this. Gano filter, very nice. Get these through our good friends Alan and Brandon over at Mustang Country. It's actually how I met Bill. Was through
okay.
Alan and Brandon. Yep, Gano filter. The Fords really like the Gano filter because they make scuzzy in the block. Awesome. Yeah. So, anywho, enough babbling. I'm going to dump some gas in this. Give it the old blessing and see what happens. Okay, so you can see we now have fuel in the bowls. We filled them by hand to hopefully help fire this baby out. Scotty,
sure.
Is this? Are we on an off ramp?
I think so. Yeah.
Are you homeless?
$10. We scrub everything.
At least
$10.
At least you didn't pee on the windshield.
We make you holler for 20.
Oh God. Anyway, all right. So there's fuel in the bowl. I'm giving it a couple pumps, even though the accelerator pump doesn't really accelerator pump. So, all right, she's lit. She's grumpy. No fuel. Did we run out already? You're gonna have to spoon feed her. Hope she gets fuel up to her from the tank. Okay, Scotty, we're good. Scotty, we're good. We're good. Let her run now. Just a little smoky out back. But she was definitely a little little boogery, so Scotty's giving her best little cleaner. We're gonna let her run, get her up to temp. Yeah. Let's let her get up to temp. We'll let her idle, see what she does. She isn't too happy right now. Check stuff out. Beep beep. Guys, beep beep. Accelerator pump's still not working. Even though Scotty ran some cleaner through her. So that's part of our problem.
Idle's definitely got to be turned up.
Yeah, I can do that by hand. Look at that. I got it set. For now.
Yeah.
And clean that. Probably got to clean the whole circuit, but she is running off her own fuel. Yeah, it was pretty smoky to begin with. I know we got to get fuel quieter muffled. Clean this thing out. No, this is a different thing. This is the guy that tries to start by thinking by the right people. No, I had one. I sold it a year later. So anyway, she's not the happiest camper, but oh look, I got it to move. I can move it by hand. Now we just gotta see if we can get it to work properly. Nope, look at that. Starting out of one side. It's not coming out of this one. So I think we have a 3-barrel. Yeah. We're probably going to need to rebuild the car. How long is that? Now, getting a key for this. I guess it's cheaper just to put a new carb on it.
overpowering the rear.
Oh yeah.
It's just running like crazy.
Yeah, so that's nice and done.
Wait. It's dribbling.
No, that's coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely need to rebuild the car. So we got that going. We'll price that out for you. We'll get all the rest of that stuff figured out as well. Well, she does run. Not happily. She does. You can tell she's not idle and smooth or happy. So. Display. We have a dead one. These plug wires are old.
They need to be done.
Definitely gonna want to replace those.
Alright, let me get a list.
Make a list. But I know we talked about it needing the tune-up. Pushing in here. Seems to get a little better now that you got heating up.
Dude, it's just dumping it out of the rears. The front's actually jetting, the rears, this front one is just dumping. It's not actually running, it's just dumping randomly.
Smoky. All kinds of shit going on back here today. God. Johnny, what's your hair?
Valve cover gaskets or no? Because there's fresh oil. Oh no, that might not be oil.
That's fuel.
Okay.
But no, valve cover gaskets. Carson and I actually did those.
Okay.
I mean, it's getting kind of icky. First order of business, rebuild carb. Yeah, that's, yeah, FPW or